Hey family, I hope things are well. Let's go science. I'm going to show you two things today for my little presentation on cool things that I'm trying out for distance learning for my students. Number one is, of course, Screencast-O-Matic. That is what I'm using right now. It is called Screencast-O-Matic. Um, you can easily share your screen and share this, and when you're done, easily upload it onto YouTube. So what I've done is I created a YouTube on my Gmail account, my professional Gmail account, jhurley-bruno@gmail.com. I have that rolling. Every time I do a screencast, I upload it on there, and then I can easily link it into Teams or anything else. Or, as you know, Play Pause It works right with YouTube, so you can screencast and then do a Play Pause It right on top of it. I will be showing you this bad boy, Kialo. I'm not going to watch the video. You can watch that on your own time. I'm going to show you what I created. Boom. Look at that. COVID-19 visitation rights from bioethics class. Kialo is all about debate. So there's going to be two sides to an argument. You create what's called a thesis at the top, and then there's going to be pro and con side. Students are going to be, it depends on how what your asks for are in the assignment, but students would then do either stay on one side or be forced to sort of bounce back and forth on each side. They create claims, and then they respond to each other's claims and rate each other's claims. So this, you can see, it's about talking about when that families do not have visitation rights for COVID-19 and whether that's ethical, et cetera, et cetera. And so we enter, and you will see it hasn't really started yet. I have notifications out this side, but I'll close it. Up here is pretty cool. This is the general thesis. Should families and loved ones be able to visit COVID-19 patients? And then you have a pro side and a con side. Students can then, it's really helpful, they have these little blue things that will help you see how to manage all this. You can rate claims here. You can comment on claims here, and then there's a whole little menu of things that you can do. You can thank people, comments, blah, 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 blah. And so my expectation for this assignment is students go in, they write a claim on each side. So that's two claims. Then they comment on a minimum of two, and they rate a minimum of two, just to get started and see how they like it. This is also linked. I didn't have to sign anybody up. This is through a direct link. So if I, rather than signing people up, the scary part is similar to Zoom, anybody can jump on if they have the link. But personally, I'm not too worried about that. But if you want to sign people up, you can send direct links to emails, and it links up. I didn't even need a password to join. It was just give the email and my username, and I'm in. All right. That's it for the day. I'm excited to hear what you guys are going to share today. 3 minutes and 30 seconds.